Hey everyone, I'm McKenzie, and in this video we're going to learn the easiest way to turn mono audio files into stereo audio files. Let's get started. So there are several ways you can turn mono files into stereo files in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way. So as you can see, we've been working on this video for Valentine's Day, and my music comes through on the left and right speakers, as you can see here, it's marked with the left channel and the right channel, but my narrations only come through on the left channel. Now there's an easy way to fix this. I'm going to highlight all of my mono clips, right-click, and go to Audio Channels. Now I'm in my Modify Clip window, and all I'm going to do is change my source channel to play on the right and the left speaker. I press OK, and voila, there you go. You've got your audio files that are playing through the left and the right speaker. You can also do this with the source audio file as well. If you go here into your project window and you right-click, go into Modify Audio Channels. The same window pops up and you just click it so that you've got your source audio playing through the right and the left channels. Press OK, and when you double click on your clip, it plays through both channels. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment down below, and we'll see you guys real soon.